Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Metformin, one of the most prescribed and trusted medicines for type 2 diabetes around the world. What is Metformin? Metformin, also known as Glucophage, is a first-line medicine used to lower blood sugar levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. How does it work? Metformin works by decreasing glucose production in the liver, improving insulin sensitivity, slowing sugar absorption in the intestines. This means your blood sugar stays more stable throughout the day. Dosage: Metformin is usually started at 500 milliliters once or twice daily and can be increased depending on your doctor's advice. It's important to take it with meals to avoid stomach upset. Common side effects: nausea, stomach discomfort, diarrhea. These usually go away after a few days. Rare but serious side effect: lactic acidosis, very rare but serious. Watch for muscle pain, weakness, or breathing difficulty. Warning: never take metformin without consulting your doctor, especially if you have kidney or liver issues. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more diabetes related videos.